Hi everybody, how you all? I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy and prosperous life. So I've come again here in this video for speaking on the English language, and I tried basically for doing the practices every day, and I'm fulfilling that. And so today's video I'm going to describe about a topic which I've chosen for speaking in this video. I basically choose cue cards for speaking in the videos, so that is the helpful way for me to improve my English language. So there is other thing as well. From there you can also learn like multiple practices you can do, like listening, reading and writing. So I basically prefer this one because that helps me a lot comparison to others, because that is the hardest for myself, like basically creating my videos and seeing myself like where I'm lacking. So the cue card for today's video is about describing a short-term job that you like to do in abroad basically. So this is the topic for today's video. So I hope you stick with me till the end of this video, and you will find like how a beginner is if he's speaking on the cue card, so how the things going to be. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So if I talk about basically, I do want to work in abroad basically, but I didn't decide any country. But the one which is very closest to me is it in New Zealand, right? The country name is New Zealand, and the state name is basically capital is Wellington basically. And so I don't want to go there. I just want to be in Auckland, and there I want to work as a sales executive, because I want to like implement myself in the country where which is very isolated, but by selling product we can able to gain lot of various people, and we can engage to them and just learn the culture from there. So I want to work as a short-term job there, and the reason behind it, I also want to see how like European countries look like. By basically the New Zealand country is also following the same culture which is in other parts of the world, like Europe and east western or southern America, basically the same culture and regional they follow. So after getting there, I want to explore different place of Auckland, and apart from this, I am also keen about like their atmosphere, and their environment basically, because some people told that in YouTube that is heaven for for a natural person who want to going there, visiting there as a environment friendly, because that country is very environment friendly. But if I talk about like in Texas, so they are have a lot of taxes, because they are giving a environment where you are very friendly environment they are giving you, and crime rate is also less than other countries. And yeah, there is a very less population comparison to other countries such as US, Canada, because people are preferred to go there. But if you want to be a country where you want to live a peaceful life, so you can prefer New Zealand. So that's why I just come across this country basically, that is very peaceful they are living, and there is less noise and less pollution comparison to other countries, right? So yeah, so short term job would be doing a sales job, field sales job, going doorsteps to like selling products. That is the thing which I'm want to do. But let's see what is future have. So on for today's video, that is it. And I just want to speak on the cue card, so I have completed that. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.